Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Get ready for our story time. Today, we have a story about a clever monkey king and a big scary water monster. Long, long ago, in a beautiful forest, there was a big, deep lake. But this lake had a secret. Living in the water was a water-ogre. An ogre is like a monster, big and often not very nice. This water-ogre loved to eat anyone who went into the lake. Now, in this same forest lived many monkeys. A very, very large group of monkeys, 80,000 of them, and their leader was a very special monkey. We call him the Bodhisattva. He was big and strong, like a small deer. This monkey king was very wise and cared for all his monkey friends. He always told them, "Be careful in this forest. Some trees have bad fruit that can make you sick, and some lakes have dangerous ogres. Always ask me before you eat new fruit or drink new water." And the monkeys always listened. "Yes, king," they would say. One day, the monkeys were walking and playing in a part of the forest they had never seen before. They were very thirsty after their long walk and looked for water to drink. Soon, they found this same big lake. But the monkeys remembered their king's words. They didn't go straight to the water to drink. Instead, they sat down and waited. They waited for their wise king to come. After some time, the Monkey King arrived. "Hello, my friends," he said. "Why aren't you drinking the water?" "We waited for you, our king," the monkeys replied. "That was very good, my friends," said the Bodhisattva. Then he walked all around the lake, looking carefully at the ground near the water. He looked at the footprints. He saw something very interesting. All the footprints went into the water, but none of them came out again. Thought the clever Monkey King. This is the home of the ogre. So he said to his friends, "You were right to wait. This water is not safe. There is a dangerous ogre in this lake." Now, the water-ogre was watching all of this. He saw that the monkeys were not coming into his lake. He got angry. So, he changed his shape. He became a scary monster with a blue body, a white face, and bright red hands and feet. The monster came out of the water and shouted, "Why are you just sitting there? Come into the lake and drink." But the wise Monkey King was not afraid. He said to the monster, "Are you the ogre of this water?" "Yes, I am," the ogre answered loudly. "Do you eat everyone who goes into this water?" asked the Monkey King. "Yes, I do," said the ogre. "From small birds to big animals, if you come into my water, I will eat you, and I will eat all of you monkeys too." "Oh no, you won't," said the brave Monkey King. "We will drink your water, but you will not catch us." "How will you do that?" the ogre asked, confused. "You have to come into the water to drink." The Monkey King smiled. "Ah, you think we need to go into the water. But we won't. All 80,000 of us will use these." He pointed to the tall plants growing near the lake. "We will take these long, thin plants, like straws, and drink the water from here. You will not be able to eat us." The Monkey King asked his friends to bring him one of these long plants. When he had it, he remembered all the good things he had done in his life. He thought about being kind and helpful. Then, he blew on the plant. And something amazing happened. The plant became hollow inside, like a straw. There were no blockages at all. It was open all the way through. The Monkey King then walked around the lake and said, "Let all the long plants growing here become hollow inside. Because the Monkey King was so good and wise, his words had power. And from that day on, every single one of those long plants around the lake became hollow. So, the Monkey King sat down with his hollow cane, and all 80,000 monkeys sat around the lake with their own hollow canes. At the same moment, the Monkey King put his cane in the water and drank. And all the other monkeys did the same. They all drank the water safely from the side of the lake. The water-ogre was very, very angry. He couldn't catch any of them. So, he went back to his home in the deep water, feeling defeated. And the wise Monkey King and all his friends returned to the forest, happy and safe. And that's the story of the clever Monkey King, who used simple plants to outsmart a dangerous water-ogre. Remember, even if something looks difficult, sometimes a little clever thinking can help us find a solution. Thank you very much for watching until the end. What was your favorite part of the story? Tell me in the comments. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed this story and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.